You are looking at the course shell for my ECE 101 Introduction to Early Childhood Education course. I wanted to give you a brief tour of the course to show you how I do have large blocks of information divided into manageable sections. So you can see over here on the left side all of the links that my students are able to use. There are several different things. Obviously we have the faculty department information that gives all of my information to the students in a very easy space. The announcements page is something that the course always defaults to, so anytime the students access the course, this is the first thing that they see, but they can always go back and click here and find any announcement that I've posted, and I do post quite a bit of information on the announcements page just to help students stay on track with what's due and what's coming up, and any other information that I need to communicate about the course. I have the syllabus and schedule linked here for their reference. At any point in the semester, they can just click here and they can find the course syllabus, and then they can also just look at the course outline as well and just see briefly from week to week the different content that we will be covering and also any assignments that will be due as well. This second tier of information here in the course is the information that the students will be accessing most consistently. Again, as I mentioned in the first objective, the weekly course modules, and now I have that all divided up. Again, those are divided from week to week. All of the content is posted in a consistent manner for the students to access, and so anytime they need to know what's due from week to week, they can just access that weekly course modules link and they can find the week that we're in and they can click in there and find the information. All of this information is also posted throughout the semester, so all of the information for the entire semester is posted. So if students want to work ahead, they're free to do that. So all of the weeks, the 16 weeks of the course, are posted at once for the students to be able to view and see what is going to be required of them throughout the semester. If students ever want to come back and view any of the course content, they can click on this link here and it will take them into any of the content that we went through. This course is using online educational resources, and so all of the information that they need for the course is found online. They don't have a textbook that they need to use to accompany the class. And so if they ever wanted to go back and read any information or watch any videos about any of the content, they can find that in that course content folder there. The discussion board can be linked here, and then as I mentioned on that introduction page for the distance learning, they can also find some information here. I have given them some assignment explanation videos. This has been very helpful for my online community in being able to talk them through all of the detailed guidelines for the assignments. Students are able to watch these and find that very helpful for them in understanding those assignments, and since we're not able to do that face-to-face. And then the observation information link here, there's a lot of information that the students can just click on that link. Anything that they need to find about that observation requirement, the students have to complete 15 hours of observation. Any information from scheduling their observations to getting their background checks done, to how to find a place to observe at, all of that information is right here, and so students can find that information right there in one stop for that assignment as well. So I hope this short video has helped give you a sense of how the course is set up into large blocks of information divided into manageable sections.